Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of Mark's birthday Fansupport goods, and these goods are from Happy9394day on Twitter, which is a Korean fan union for Mark. So they did a donation event for Mark's birthday, and I participated in it. So yes, I got the set B. I think there was set A and set B, but I think set B was the one that had everything included, so I just got set B. And yeah, so let's get right to it. So the main reason why I got set B was because of this. It is a tote bag, and this is just a Mark sticker that was on the poly mailer, but because I ripped it, I just pasted it on here. This is what the bag looks like. It is a really brilliant bright red. I really love it. This is the design. It says "Be real, stay true." I really like it. It's really simple and really elegant in my opinion. Yeah, so it has two handles. So you have a pocket for you to put your valuables, and it's a canvas material. I'm not sure you can tell, but yeah. And next we have this fan set, which I believe it is set A without the tote bag. So the first thing I pulled out was this electromagnetic sticker. So cute! And then we have a lot of postcards of Mark. The back looks like this. It says 9394 at the top. And this at the bottom. Second one. We have black and white ones. So there are 7 of these rectangular postcards. They're all so pretty. And then you have stickers as well. They gave 3. And then we have a holographic one of his Chinese name, Duan Yi-en. And then we have more of these cute stickers. So cute. And then last but not least, we have this beautiful transparent fan. It's so pretty.